Next question. Do you lose weight faster if you exercise 20 to 30 minutes of cardio before going to sleep? Here is the truth and reality about working out before you go to sleep. It is really about the consistency that matters the most. If I had to say that there is a chance that you will lose weight faster if you do cardio before you go to sleep, assuming you can go to sleep, because I know a lot of people can't because they get too excited, their body just can't go to sleep. But if you do 20 to 30 minutes of cardio before going to sleep, if you were able to stick to your diet all day, for example, and you do cardio at night and then you don't eat, it just makes it a little bit easier to eat less calories. Whereas if you eat in the morning, you may get hungrier later in the day, ending up canceling out those calories. Now, the next day you can probably cancel out the calories anyway, as far as eating excessive more than you burn. But again, understand that it just depends on lots of different factors. But the main thing to understand is that 20 to 30 minutes of cardio, when you do it, doesn't matter as much as the overall consistency of cardio and nutrition as it relates to staying in a caloric deficit to lose body fat.